Welcome. This video shows how OMRON Solution can transform a manufacturing line to be Industry 4.0 ready. It demonstrates traceability and work-in-progress tracking with a digital dashboard on a precision parts manufacturing application. At the start, the operator uses an HS series handheld scanner to select the object to be manufactured. This ID is sent to the MES, which notifies the 3D bin picking station and the fleet manager. Based on a trained model library, the Cobot locates and picks the correct raw material. The fleet manager then sends the AIV to the CNC station for the object's machining process. The Cobot loads the object into the station and starts the machining process. After the CNC process is completed, the Cobot brings the object in front of a V430 series code scanner to identify the object, followed by a ZG2 series sensor to measure the object's dimensions. Finally, the object is transported to its next station. Throughout this entire process, critical traceability information like the measurement data and the ID are captured by OMRON's advanced PLC into an SQL database and displayed on a dashboard. In addition, machine performance data like OEE and errors are recorded at the MES level for further analysis to improve the machine.